Thank you for posing this to me. You have rightly said that we are, even before COVID, we were helping 60% of the children of the whole world, and particularly the developing world, to have vaccines, and we were supplying 60% of the vaccines to the whole world. And during COVID also, right now we have two vaccines in India which have been manufactured in India. One is by the Serum Institute of India, another one is by the Bharat Biotech. These are the Covishield and the Covaxin. And right now, we have already a very robust immunization program which is actually in a reasonably advanced stage in India, whereby every person above the age of 45 will start getting vaccinated from 1st of April. And even today, all the health workers, frontline workers, they have all been vaccinated. And then everybody above 60 years of age and those between 45 and 59, they with comorbidities, they are being given vaccination. But 2 days from now, everybody above 45 will be part of the vaccination campaign. 61 million doses have already been given to Indians, and we have already provided 64 million doses to 84 countries of the whole world. And this is through, you see, some of them are like gifted, contractual, and some of them have been given through the COVAX facility that has been created to help all the countries internationally by the World Health Organization. So as far as India is concerned, we have a very, very clear-cut thinking about the whole issue, and we always feel that the benefits of science, they have to be delivered to the whole of humanity. And that's why even during the crisis of COVID last year, we were at a point of time supplying drugs to almost 150 countries of the whole world. Hydroxychloroquine in the initial stages, we were providing it to 150 countries. And again, for the vaccines also, the process of development of the vaccine, the research around this vaccine was supported very, very aggressively, proactively by the government of India, and in fact monitored by the Prime Minister himself. And almost 6 months back, I think it was more than 6 months back, we had created the National Expert Group for Vaccine Administration, which has got scientific experts, which has got representation from the whole country of all relevant stakeholders, and it plans each and every nitty-gritty of the vaccine administration. And within the government also, there are multiple departments, multiple ministries working together to ensure that we keep helping the people of the whole world also, and we strike a reasonably good balance between what is the need of the Indian people for the vaccine and also what is needed to be supplied to the rest of the whole world, and more particularly to the countries where they actually deserve more help, because they neither have the manufacturing capacity, neither they have the vaccines. So we are trying to fulfill our commitment which for the rest of the world, which comes from our heart. And our Prime Minister is very, very ambitiously and very, very passionately is strengthening the vaccine Maitri. We call it vaccine friendship. And through this vaccine Maitri, that's the name that we have given to it, we are trying to help everyone all across the world, and we are doing our utmost to, in fact, strengthen all these capacities within the country, and to see that in the future also, you see, right now, apart from these two vaccines which have been given the emergency use authorization, almost half a dozen vaccines in India are in the stages of clinical trials, and over 2 dozen, almost 1 dozen vaccine further, they are in the preclinical trials. So apart from these two vaccines, there is so much happening to strengthen the research around having new vaccines in the near future, also to augment the manufacturing capacity and the ability of the country. And there is a very significant amount of fund which has been dedicated to research around vaccine development, and also to provide vaccine to people in India. A huge amount of fund to the tune of 35,000 crores has been kept in the budget to make sure that the Indian government helps our countrymen to actually get vaccine in time. So we have throughout adopted a whole of government, whole of society approach, and it's now, I think, we are trying to help the whole world also on the COVID front through vaccination abilities of India also. I think that's broadly what answers what you asked me. But if there is anything more that you would like to know, because there are so many aspects of this vaccine administration which have been planned in with so much of meticulous detail. There is a CoWIN platform where we get real data, real time data of everything, every person who gets vaccinated in the whole country. And they at least at 50,000 places in the country, government as well as private, we have the vaccination facilities created, where we are in fact following all the minutest possible details, taking all possible precautions, ensuring that every adverse event, if at all it takes place, even if it is a minor side effect, it is taken care of, it is recorded. And it's a huge exercise, humongous exercise, but it has been done in a seamless manner in a country as big as India, with a 1.35 billion population.